Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to roll back or uninstall a Windows 10 update safely. So let's begin. First, you can actually go to your Start or Windows Start button, click on Control Panel, then go to Programs or just click on Uninstall a program over here. Then on the left panel, you can view on installed updates. Now you will see all of the updates or downloads or updates that were installed in your Windows 10. So you can see these were way back few years ago up until this very day. These are the most recent ones. So if you like what you're seeing, don't make any sudden changes, okay? But if you want to modify something in your Windows to your preferences, of course, you can just click on or right click and uninstall. But before that, you can read this because some changes might put your PC at risk or it might make some critical changes or damages to your system. So make sure to do your own research first. And if you're comfortable with it or if you just want to, let's go ahead and try something out. You can definitely can. So just click on uninstall. It will just be very straightforward and easy as uninstalling any other program out there. So once you're done, your Windows will actually want you to verify and save all changes as the administrator. So make sure you have the privileges to do that. Click close or X over here, refresh, and you're done. So you have successfully uninstalled an update in Windows 10. I hope you find this video very helpful.